Welcome to our roundup of the best food vacuum sealer options. Whether you're trying to save money by reducing food waste, prepare meals faster, or keep ingredients fresh for weeks or even months, we have selected top-rated vacuum sealers that combine strong performance, easy operation, and dependable results. We'll break down what really matters, including suction strength, sealing reliability, ease of use, storage convenience, and long-term durability, so you can confidently choose the right one for your kitchen. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let us dive in and find the perfect food vacuum sealer for you. The first on the list is the LKK NC 90 kPa portable vacuum sealer. Right away, this compact machine impresses with its powerful 90 kilopascal suction, ultra-compact portable design, and simple one-touch operation. It's designed for people who want an easy, space-saving solution without giving up real sealing performance. Even though it's small and lightweight, it pulls air out quickly and creates a tight seal that keeps food fresh much longer than normal storage bags or containers. In everyday use, the LKK NC feels incredibly convenient. You can easily store it in a drawer, a cabinet, or even take it with you for travel or camping. The one-button control makes it extremely beginner-friendly. Just insert the bag, press the button, and the machine handles the rest. It works very well for sealing dry foods, snacks, portioned meats, and even some moist foods if you're careful with liquid placement. The sealing line is consistent and strong, helping prevent air from sneaking back into the bag. Another big advantage is how fast it works. The motor removes air quickly, so you can seal several bags in a short session without feeling like the machine is struggling. While it doesn't include advanced modes or accessory ports like larger countertop units, it focuses on doing the main job well. For apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or small kitchens, this kind of portability is a huge plus. Overall, the LKK NC portable vacuum sealer is an excellent entry-level and travel-friendly option for anyone who wants a simple, compact, and surprisingly powerful machine that makes everyday food storage easier. Next up is the Nesco Deluxe VS12. This is a well-known and highly trusted model for people who do a lot of bulk food storage and freezer prep. It stands out thanks to its double heat seal option, strong and reliable vacuum pump, and built-in bag storage with cutter. This is a machine designed for users who want consistent results and extra security when sealing food for long-term storage. One of the most useful features here is the double seal function. When you're storing meat, fish, or meals for months in the freezer, having two seals provides extra peace of mind. It greatly reduces the risk of leaks and freezer burn. The vacuum strength is excellent, pulling air out quickly and evenly, even from larger bags. You also get dry and moist food modes, which helps protect softer foods while still getting a strong seal. The design is very practical for real kitchens. The top lid opens to reveal storage space for a bag roll, and there's a built-in cutter so you can make custom-sized bags in seconds. This saves time and keeps everything neat and organized. The control panel is clear and easy to understand, so even first-time users can get great results without a learning curve. This is not a tiny machine, but that extra size comes with better performance and more features. If you regularly buy food in bulk, hunt, fish, or prep meals for the entire week, this kind of power and reliability really pays off. Overall, the Nesco VS12 is a dependable, powerful, and feature-rich vacuum sealer that's perfect for serious home users who want strong performance and extra sealing security. Next, we have the Vacuumar Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. This one is built for people who want more control over the sealing process and more flexibility for different types of food. It immediately stands out with its high-precision manual control options, strong and fast suction motor, and multiple sealing modes. This makes it feel more like a semi-professional kitchen tool than a basic home appliance. What makes the Vacuumar special is how much control it gives you. You can vacuum and seal automatically, or you can use the manual pulse function to control exactly how much air is removed. This is perfect for delicate foods like bread, pastries, or soft fruits that you don't want to crush. For meats and dense foods, you can let the machine run at full power to get a tight, long-lasting seal. The sealing bar is wide and produces a strong, even seal across the bag. In daily use, the motor feels fast and efficient, which is great when you're sealing many bags in one session. It also includes an accessory port, allowing you to use it with containers for things like coffee, snacks, or dry goods that you don't want to store in bags. The build quality feels solid and designed for frequent use. While it's slightly larger than compact models, that's the trade-off for better performance and more features. Overall, the Vacumar Pro is an excellent choice for home cooks and meal preppers who want more control, stronger performance, and a machine that can handle regular, heavy use without slowing down. Next, we have the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. This one is aimed at users who want simplicity, modern design, and easy storage. It stands out with its slim and compact body, one-touch automatic sealing, and surprisingly efficient suction power. It's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who doesn't want a big appliance taking up counter space. Using the Chef Preserve couldn't be easier. You insert the bag, press the button, and the machine automatically vacuums and seals in one smooth step. The seal quality is consistent and reliable, which is exactly what you want for everyday food storage. It works well with both pre-cut bags and roll bags, giving you flexibility in how you portion your food. Because it's lightweight and slim, it's easy to store in a drawer or cabinet when not in use. It also doesn't make much noise, which makes it more pleasant to use in a small home. While it doesn't have advanced features like double sealing or manual control, it focuses on being simple, fast, and dependable. Overall, the Chef Preserve is a great choice for anyone who wants a compact, user-friendly, and reliable vacuum sealer that fits easily into everyday life. The last one on our list is the Food Saver Vacuum Sealer. This is one of the most trusted names in food storage, and it earns the top spot with its fully automatic bag detection, strong and consistent vacuum performance, and extremely reliable heat sealing system. This machine is built for people who want the most dependable and effortless sealing experience possible. One of the best things about the Food Saver is how automatic it is. You simply insert the bag and the machine detects it, vacuums the air, and seals it without you having to press extra buttons or hold anything in place. This makes the process faster and reduces the chance of user error. It also includes different modes for dry and moist foods, so you always get the right seal for what you're storing. The suction power is excellent and works equally well for fridge and freezer storage. The drip tray is removable, which makes cleaning very easy, especially after sealing juicy foods. Another big advantage is compatibility. Food Saver bags and accessories are widely available, and many third-party bags also work perfectly, which helps keep long-term costs down. Overall, the Food Saver Vacuum Sealer is the best all-around choice for most people, offering the perfect balance of power, convenience, reliability, and long-term value. So that's it for our roundup of the best food vacuum sealers. No matter which one you choose, all of them will help you save money, reduce waste, and keep your food fresher for much longer. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy fresher food every day.